Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Yes, we will continue with the grammar topic, that is a preposition. As I've told you, that the preposition are the words which tell us the position or the location of one thing in relation to another. For example, in, on, under, over, by, at, across, behind, in front of, between, and many more. Many words are there. Through examples, we will be learning one example which we have already done. This is a position of behind. The rabbit is behind. Here, the rabbit is in front of. Here, the rabbit is in the box. Here, the rabbit is over the box. Here, it is between. Here, he is under. Okay, here it is on. Now we will begin with the worksheet. Again, the preposition beta. Worksheet number 4. These are the words which are given in the box. We have to write these words. Will be writing these words in the blank. Which are the words? Here it is under, in between, on, beside, in front of. We will be writing these words in the box, and here the clues are given, the pictures are given. Okay, let us begin. Come on, first one. The ball is dash the box. Okay, where is the ball? It is in the box. So in we have finished. Okay. Now next B1. The ball is dash the box. Now ये ऊपर में है. So बेटा ये on हो गया. This A we have finished. This is B. That is on. Next, where is the ball? Now the ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. ठीक है? Now, now where is the ball? Where is the ball? It is in front of. The ball is in front of the box. है ना, उसके सामने में है. Next, we have the word beside also. So C we have done. Let us write. C is under. Okay, this we have done under C. Then D in front of. Now only 2 is left, that is beside and between. Come on, let us do. Okay. See, with the help of picture it is understood. Now this one. Where is the ball? The ball is beside the box. Here it is between. So we'll write between. Okay. Now. Sorry children. Okay. Now here are the words. They are all mixed up. Some are verbs and some are preposition. We have to circle only the preposition, the word which are preposition. Okay. First one, at. Yes. I will have dinner at 9 o'clock. Yes. It is telling you at what time. Okay. Run is a verb. Tom is a noun. No. In. Yes. Beside. Yes. Behind. Yes. Break is a noun. No. Jump is a break is a verb. No. Jump is a verb. No. Across. Yes. Near. Yes. Around. Yes. If. No. It. No. Then above. Okay. Then comes on. That's all. ठीक है बेटा. If is a conjunction, and no, it is not a preposition. It doesn't tell us anything. Okay. Now we'll begin with the next question. That is question number 3. Read the sentence and write the correct options. Come on, the same preposition now. We go to school. Now here the 2 answers are given in the bracket. We have to select the correct one, children. We go to school dash 8 o'clock in the morning. At 8 o'clock. Yes. Okay. Next. I arrange my book nicely. The table. The 2 answer is inside and on. Where do we keep? We keep it on the table. है ना? Next. The boat sails the cement bridge. Bridge के कहाँ चल रहा है? It is under the bridge. It is sailing under the bridge. Here the 2 answers are given. We have to select the correct one. Okay. Next, I went dash the bridge and crossed the river. Here the 2 answers. We have to select the correct one. I went over the bridge and crossed the river. Next, look. Next one. Look dash the beautiful bird with a long beak. So look at the beautiful bird. Here the two answers given. We have to select the correct one. Next. Okay. Next one. I went to the bookstore dash the dairy, near the dairy. Out of the two, inside and near, we will write near. Next now. Tom went to hide dash the huge tree. The two words are behind and on. So of course the behind will come. Now children, the same topic preposition, take out the workbook, that is page number 15. Page number 15. Okay, the mice and the elephant. Here the shapes are given and they have been telling us to color all the shapes in the book. Okay children, so you have to color. बेटा सब color करना है properly. Okay, now I'll just give you little guidance. Red color, this circle you have to do red, this one dark blue, this one light green and this one yellow. ठीक है, this square black color, this orange color, here pink color and light blue color. Okay, here triangle now, dark green, this one purple, this one white, this one grey and of course this one brown. So पहले आप ये कलर कर लीजिएगा. Please color it and accordingly we will be doing it. Okay, now I'm carrying on. You can pause and then you can start it off. But first try to understand. The second picture I'm giving you a homework. Here also you have to do the coloring on your own. Okay, I'll come to the directly the exercise. Now next, that is page number 15. Let us begin now. Study the shape on the page number 15. Answer this question and use the word in the boxes. Page number 15 में दिया है बेटा. Now we are doing that is I think page number 16 है ये. And remember, ऊपर जब रहता है तो उसको above बोलते हैं. The one which is below, जो नीचे रहता है उसको below बोलते हैं. और जो बाजू में रहता है उसको next to बोलते हैं. All these words are preposition, that is above, below and next to. First one, where is the red ball? And here they have given the preposition. We have to use the word next to. ठीक है? Now देखो. From where you will write? You will write from the page 15. He is asking where is the red ball? Next to. किसके next to में है? चलो let's see. Look at back. Okay? Where is the red ball? The red ball is next to the dark blue. ये देखो आजू बाजू. It is next to the, देखो, this red ball is next to the dark blue ball. So we have to write this. ठीक है बेटा. So book में देख के आपको ये ठीक से लिखना है. And here the preposition word is also given. Clue दिया हुआ है बेटा. The clue is given to you. ठीक है. The first one to the half they have already written. It is just you have to write this next to. Next to the dark blue circle. Next now, where is the light blue square? Where is the light blue square? And the preposition ढूंढना है आपको below. किसके below में है? किसके below? So we will start. It is, you write this below. It is below. किसके below में है? Light blue square. Let us find out. Light blue square. कहाँ है light blue square? Here it is. See, this is the light blue square. किसके below में है? It is below the yellow ball. Yellow ball के नीचे में, below में. ठीक है बेटा? Now we will write. Yes, it is below yellow ball. ठीक है? Wait, I'll write clearly. 1 minute. Yellow ball. YELLOW, and here the clue is given below, use करना है. Next, where is the black square? So it is, we have to use this, it is above, it is above. किसके ऊपर में है? The black square किसके ऊपर में है? देखो जरा, let us see. चलो, the black square is, the black square is above the dark green triangle. The black square is above the dark green triangle. ये देखो, ये नीचे डार्क ग्रीन ट्राइंगल है, उसके ऊपर में है. ये किसके ऊपर में है वो पूछ रहा है. ओके, सो we will write above dark green. Wait, I'll erase and write again. It is above dark green triangle. Next, where is the brown triangle? Where is the brown triangle? Okay, now let us see. Let us come back. Why I am doing this? To make the concept clear. Okay, now, but again going up, again down. Now you carefully see. Okay, now, wait children. It's page number 15. Yes. He is asking, where is the, 1 minute, where is the brown triangle? ठीक है, so it is, and here it is given, आपको below use करना है. It is below. Where is the brown triangle? Brown. अब देखो ऊपर में वहाँ पे है, see brown triangle. हाँ, it is below. किसके नीचे? Below means किसके नीचे? It is below light blue square. Okay, below light blue square. ठीक है, full stop. Next now, which circle? Now he is asking which circle. Which circle is above the orange square? Look at the orange square, everyone. Look at the orange square. Very good. Okay, which circle is above the orange square? Huh? Yes, dark blue. Yes. Which circle is above the orange square? So you have to write dark blue circle. Dark blue circle is above the orange square. Orange square you will write from the question. ठीक है? Spelling of square is given. Please write correctly, children. I don't have space, that is why. I'll write again. Okay, above the orange, above the orange square. देखो, it is given in the question. Question means the sentence which is given in the workbook. 5th one. Okay, next now, which triangle is next to the dark green triangle? Everybody see the dark green triangle. देखो सब जन, look at the dark green triangle. So dark green triangle जो है वो किसके बाजू में है? It is next to, yes, purple triangle. It is next to purple triangle. ठीक है? The second one here I'll change, but because it's making it quite big, we'll begin with it is. चलो, ठीक है? Which circle is above the orange square? नहीं, here तो we have to write the complete thing. We cannot begin with it. Which circle is above the orange square? Dark. That was correct. Dark blue circle is above the orange square. ये देखो दिया है as above the orange square from the question. And this is CIRCLE circle बेटा. वो D नहीं समझना हाँ please. Don't write wrong. Yes. Okay. Next one. Where is the yellow circle? Where is the yellow circle? Look for the yellow circle. And here they have given the preposition next to. किसके next to में yellow circle? The yellow circle is next to the light green circle. It is next to yes, light green circle. Okay. Next, which square is below the light green circle? Which square is below the light green circle? अब look for light green circle. Yes. वो किसके below में? Which square? कौन सा square उसके नीचे में है? Which square? The pink square. And the rest you have to copy down. Is below the light green circle. ठीक है children? Okay. Now, if you want, you can write. You can take 2 days to write. No problem, children. But try to understand and then do it. Is that clear, children? I hope the things must have understood. It's a simple preposition. Okay, beta. Thank you. God bless you, children.